What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on LCID ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point and I made the video right before the end of lockup period, and as you can see, this blue line indicates that this lockup period ended right here, and my main suggestion was that we won't see any massive sell-off right after this expiration happens, and as you can see, we don't have any sell-off. And why? My assumption was correct. And let me show you this article. On January 19th, right after I made my previous video, we have this article that is titled "Lucid Group rallies with pipe lookup expiration set for tonight." And the main bullet that I want to quote you is right here. Most notably, the Saudi Sovereign Wealth Fund is anticipated to stay long Lucid, with the joint venture expected to be set up to help the electric vehicle maker build a local plant in 2025 or 2026. Jeddah and Neom are two cities in Saudi Arabia being discussed as a potential sites for the Lucid plant. And we all know that the Saudi Arabian institutional investors hold more than 75% of the shares of Lucid, and that's why, with this information, most likely this investor should stay with the company, and it happened. So, and let's continue with the other news. Right here we have next article that was published on January the 20th, and it's titled "Lucid Group tracks higher as retail investor interest stays elevated." And let me quote you this. The last bull rating on Lucid to arrive from Wall Street was from Citi. Analyst Itay Micheli and team set a buy rating and $57 price target on Lucid on its view that the electric vehicle maker has demonstrated leading electric vehicle technology, credentials with the best-in-class blend of range, performance, charging dynamics and price. Retail investor interest is still high on Lucid, with one of the most discussed stocks on Reddit's Wall Street Bets and stock tweets this week. So definitely we have a very strong support line, and let me show you that this support is the golden pocket. We have the support from the technical standpoint, we have the support from Saudi Arabian fund that didn't sell their stocks, and we have huge support from retail investors who believe in this company in the long term. And that's why we didn't have a massive sell-off, and let me show you further information. On their official Twitter page, we don't have any news related to their deliveries. We have just this tweet that was published 10 hours ago, and it is a retweet from Tom Malani. But it is not the news that we are anticipating. We are anticipating the rate of deliveries. And let me show you that we have recent information from Bear's workshop. It was the information from January 22nd, and he posted: "There are more cars at Lucid today. Total count is 130. New flyover video will be posted soon. Please come take a look." And here's the picture of their parking lot, and as you can see, a lot of cars are anticipating the delivery. And right here, the previous picture was made 2 days prior the January the 22nd, and he posted: "Here's today's car count from Lucid. 113 cars today. At least 35 cars were shipped out and 33 new were produced since our last visit. We think there are a lot more than we just didn't see." And yes, I have to say that Lucid should have delivered about 577 vehicles in 2021, and we don't know this number yet. But in 2022, let me show you that they have to deliver about 20,000 vehicles, and we are on the screenshot of their presentation. Let me do it like this. And they have to deliver 20,000 vehicles in 2022 and about 49,000 vehicles in 2023. This means they have to drastically increase their production rates, and that's why we are anticipating their earnings report and the explanation from C executives what to anticipate this year. And probably it will take place at the end of February, on February 21st, or potentially if we switch right here to daily time frame, the anticipation date of this earnings call will be March the 2nd, roughly this range. We don't know yet the exact date, but still, we have to wait this information because this information might be crucial for the company. And let me show you that they have enough money to make huge increase in their production rates because they have more than $4.8 billion in cash at the end of third quarter, and they also raised an additional $1.75 billion in convertible senior notes on December the 9th. So more than $6 billion in cash is more than enough to increase their production rate, and this means this company, in my opinion, shouldn't have any stock dilution in upcoming year or maybe year and a half. And let me show you the forecast from TipRanks. We still have 6 ratings. 2 of them suggest to buy, 3 to hold, and 1 to sell. And the lowest price target is extremely low. As you can see, it is $16 price point. Average price target is $41.2. And the highest price target is $60. And to the average price we have about 9.14% of upside potential. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, what should we expect next? In my opinion, the upcoming session and upcoming week will be very volatile because last week was a red week for all of the markets, and that's why we can see the trend continuation in upcoming week. But what should we do? Let me show you that we still have the range of about $35.9 as our range of support, and we have this week that hit the range of about $33.75 as the lowest point so far for the price target. This means we should hold first of all the golden pocket range. It is at $35.94, but if we will break it to the downside, next major pivot point that we shouldn't break in order to stay in line with our targets that I marked previously, and if we will break it, we have next levels that we shouldn't break in order to remain bullish and in order to have this structure as our motive wave. So definitely the red line is the crucial point for the price action, and it is at $28.53. It is the top of our first wave because we shouldn't retrace the fourth wave on the territory of the first one in order to remain in motive wave. And this means if we won't break this range, we will have the targets that are highly above $60 price point, and we might hit these ranges by the end of this year. Otherwise, if we will break it, we should re-evaluate the entire structure and make some new projections. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. In upcoming week, just be cautious and take a look on the price action because we might hit lower ranges. But if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!